Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to check the hybrid system on a Honda. So here we have a 2018 Honda Accord hybrid, and we're going to take a look at the hybrid system and check the voltages from the hybrid system codes, show you how to clear them, and so on. So what you want to do is connect the YOUCANIC scanner to the OBD-II port underneath the dashboard, which is right there. And then once you do that, you turn on the ignition and then go to diagnostics. Let's scroll down and find Honda, and once you have that, you can do Smart VIN. So right here, that's Smart VIN. It'll automatically select the model for you, and then here we're in Japan, and then we go to Control Modules, and then we scroll down to find the Hybrid Control Unit. It's called Hybrid Control System, or IMA. That's what Honda calls it. On some cars it's called BMS, or a battery management system, which is more common, but every car manufacturer kind of calls it a different name. So we want to go there. Just give it a minute. Here's where we read the codes. Now you can see there's a code that's permanent. It's not going to clear until it's fixed. The code there, the description is there. And erase, you'd hit erase here, but if the problem is not fixed, it will just might clear, but it will come right back. If you come back here though, there's something very helpful. Go to live data, select all, press OK, and this is where we see a lot of the live data. So you can see here we got things like the voltages from the various sensors, capacity of the hybrid battery charge, DC-DC converter, fan, how many amps are being drawn from the high voltage battery. If we turn off the ignition, that will go to 0, as you can see there. Takes a second, everything goes to 0. But we turn on the engine, we turn on the ignition, and we'll start seeing a little bit of current being pulled from the high voltage battery. You can see a lot of data here. And you can voltages, the voltages for the UV and W phase motors, RPMs of the electric motor, and the main voltage as well. So what you can do is you can graph this as well. You can graph up to 4 different data points, where it says multi-graph down here at the bottom, and merge graph. You can select different things that you want to monitor, and as you drive or as you keep ignition on, these things update automatically. So this can be very helpful for troubleshooting, keeping an eye on the high voltage battery. And that's all. And keep in mind, this scanner will also allow you to get into any of the control modules when they are on the vehicle, but in this case we're just focused on troubleshooting and reading codes from the hybrid system. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.